Imagine this. You are floating in space, completely alone, no sound, no wind, just endless darkness, filled with distant stars, and far ahead of you, there's something strange. A dark circle, surrounded by a glowing ring of light. It looks beautiful, but something feels wrong. That is a black hole. A black hole is not just a hole, it's a place where gravity becomes so powerful that nothing can escape it. Not planets, not stars, not even light itself. At its center lies something called a singularity, a point so dense that the laws of physics simply stop working. We don't fully understand it, and maybe we never will. Now imagine you are getting closer, slowly drifting toward it. At first, nothing feels different, but then something strange begins to happen. The stars behind the black hole start bending. Light itself is being pulled. Space is no longer straight. It's warping, and you are heading straight into it. And then, you reach a boundary, an invisible line in space. This is called the event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross this line, there is no going back, no escape, no signal, no message to the outside world. But here's the most terrifying part. When you cross it, you feel nothing, but far away on Earth, something unbelievable is happening. To someone watching you, you are slowing down. Your movements become slower and slower until you almost freeze. Time itself is changing. Near a black hole, time doesn't behave the way we know it. For you, time feels normal, but for the universe, you are almost stuck, forever falling, but never fully disappearing. Now, things start to get worse, much worse. As you fall deeper, the gravity pulling on your feet becomes stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. This difference starts stretching your body. At first, it's small, barely noticeable, but then it increases rapidly. You are being pulled apart, slowly, then violently. Your body stretches longer and thinner, like a strand of spaghetti. This process is called spaghettification. There's no escape from it, no way to stop it. The deeper you fall, the stronger it becomes, until everything you are is completely stretched beyond recognition. And then you reach a place where no one has ever returned from, a place where all our knowledge ends. What happens next? No one knows. Do you get destroyed completely? Do you become part of the singularity? Or does something else happen? Some scientists believe black holes could be gateways, portals to another part of the universe, or even another universe entirely. But we have no proof, only questions. Because here's the truth. Black holes are not just objects in space. They are mysteries. They challenge everything we think we understand about reality, time, and existence itself. And maybe they are hiding answers we are not ready to discover yet. So what happens next is where things get truly mind-bending. Scientists have a theory. What if black holes aren't just cosmic destroyers? What if they're actually gateways? Imagine this. Instead of being crushed into nothing, everything falling into a black hole is stretched, pulled apart, and then reborn somewhere else. This idea is called a wormhole, a shortcut through space and time. One end, a black hole. The other, a white hole, a place where matter doesn't go in. It only comes out. No one has ever seen a white hole, but mathematically, they could exist. Which means, what disappears from our universe might not be gone forever. It might just be somewhere else, another part of the universe, or maybe another universe entirely. Now think about that. Every star, every planet, every piece of matter that has ever fallen into a black hole could still exist, just somewhere we can't reach. And here's the craziest part. If wormholes are real and stable, they could allow travel across unimaginable distances, galaxies, billions of light years apart. connected instantly. But there's a problem. Black holes are violent, unstable, deadly. Anything entering one would be stretched into atoms. Not exactly the kind of trip you'd survive. At least, not with the physics we understand today. But science is always evolving, and the universe still holds secrets we haven't even begun to uncover. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that endless darkness, remember this. Somewhere out there are objects so powerful they can bend space, warp time, and maybe connect entire universes. Black holes aren't just the end of things. They might be the beginning of something else.